So when I put x equal to half, this part becomes 0. So 0 plus 7 by 4 is 7 by 4 is the minimum permissible value. Now plus half means 0.5. Now check it one thing, that if you put x something more than half or less than half to this expression, what will happen? Will this expression value will start decreasing, or it will start increasing? Start putting the value of x increase more than half, or if I start putting the value of x less than half, how the f of x value starts changing? Just you substitute two such values. Again, this is going on the same base. I mean, like if I express the quadratic part x square minus x plus 2, so the corresponding discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac part, the value wise, it will be minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 2. So this is 1 minus 8, that is minus 7 less than 0. So again it is clearly understandable that this quadratic, this implies that the x square minus x plus 2 always positive for x belongs to any real number. So actually we have been asked to find out the value of x such that the expression x square minus x plus 2 lies in between minus 4 to plus 4. So first of all, the expression can never be negative against real x. So that's why we will, this implies that we will make the argument of inequation range from 0 to 4. There is no need to include the negative values in the range, because f of x will never be negative, right? F of x will never be negative when x will be real number, as because the quadratic part is having imaginary roots. Now question arises out of the given range of the f of x, the valid range will be greater than 0, less than 4, because it can't be negative. After that, what we will do, we will first go for checking the minimum value of the expression. So since expression is x square minus x plus 2, so we can simplify it something like that, x square minus 2 into x into 1 by 2, and then we can add plus 1 by 4 plus 2 minus 1 by 4, right? Because this will be compared with a square, this will be compared with 2ab. So b in that form is coming 1 by 2. So square of 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So we can write down this is x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus this is 7 by 4. Are you getting me? Are you getting me or not? So from this we get the minimum value of the expression is 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is something more than 1, less than 2. So that's why actual range of the function, valid range for which we can find the value of x, that is somehow ranging from this 7 by 4 to 4. Are you getting me? Are you understanding it or not? Tell me. Yeah, that makes it easy, because otherwise what will happen? You will start doing the calculation with the minus 4, but first of all, in between minus 4 to plus 7 by 4, this range of the quadratic expression is not possible according to this particular question. Then why should we try to find out the value of x, even taking into consideration that quadratic is practically ranging from minus 4 to plus 4. If we check the discriminant part, then by using this concept we can eliminate many more impossible cases, like from all negative values of the quadratic are not at all possible. So that's why we should avoid our miscalculation, right? So this is the valid range that quadratic can be minimum 7 by 4 and maximum value it can be open interval 4, slightly less than 4. So far as 7 by 4 minimum value is concerned, we can get it when x minus half becomes 0. So f of x minimum is equal to 7 by 4 when x is equal to 1 by 2. Are you getting me? When we take x is equal to plus half, then we get the minimum value of expression which is, what? 7 by 4. Valid value, minimum value of the quadratic expression, being 1 by 2, and we need to know, now we need to check the permissible value of x for which the quadratic can have its maximum permissible range as it has been suggested. Have you written this much? For f of x finding maximum is concerned, that is x square minus x plus 2, if I make it equal to 4, then I can say for what value of x it can be satisfied. So here I can say that x square minus x minus 2 can be equal to 0. If I want to satisfy this one, x square minus x plus 2, which is to be taken as plus 4, then it will be x square minus x minus 2 will be equal to 0. So that means I can factorize it like x minus 2 into x plus 1, satisfying it. Am I correct? X minus 2 into x plus 1 can be the two linear factors satisfying this simplification. That means it shows that if I put x equal to minus 2, you can check it, the expression will become plus 1. So x equal to 2 or x equal to minus 1 satisfying this. So that means if I put x equal to minus 1, check it on 1 minus of minus plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, yes, satisfied. And even if I put x equal to plus 2, right, if I put x equal to plus 2, I will get 4 plus 2, 6 minus 2 plus 4 again. Getting me or not? So that means to make this expression plus 4, we need to take x as either minus 1 or x as plus 2. Are you understanding it? But we are not supposed to include these values because we can't take expression equal to 4, rather we have been asked expression less than 4. So now the real number line system suggests that if it is x equal to 0, here it is x is equal to 1 by 2, here it is x is equal to 2, and here there is one value of x equal to minus 1. Now see the important part of it. Once I put x equal to 1 by 2 to this expression, I get the minimum value of the expression that is equal to, that makes the expression equal to 7 by 4. Yes or no? By comparing the minimum value of the expression, we came to know that this expression can be minimum permissible value of the expression is 7 by 4 and it can be possible at x equal to plus half. So when I put x equal to half, this part becomes 0. So 0 plus 7 by 4 is the minimum permissible value. Now plus half means 0.5. Now check it one thing, that if you put x something more than half or less than half to this expression, what will happen? Will this expression value will start decreasing or it will start increasing? If we put the value of x less than half, that means at x equal to half, when I put x equal to half, I get f of x exactly as 7/4. Now my question is, once I start putting the value of x increase more than half, or if I start putting the value of x less than half, how the f of x value starts changing? Just you substitute two such values. If you substitute two such values, suppose here it is half, you check it at x equal to 1 and again check it at x equal to 0. You will get your answer. Because plus 1 is to the right side of half and 0 is to the left side of half. Put these two values. If you put x equal to 0, you will get the expression value plus 2. Isn't it? And if you put the x equal to plus 1, if you put x equal to plus 1, then also you will get the expression value plus 2. Yes or no? Are you understanding me or not? What I am saying, at x equal to half, I got the minimum value of the quadratic expression. Then I need to see that for x taken greater than half or x taken less than half, what kind of change of f of x we can see? We can see for x taken less than half, if you start putting all the values of half to the left side of half up to the -1, or start putting the value of x taking more than half, taking it to up to the +2, you can see the value of the quadratic continuously increases. Are you getting me or not? That means I can say two cases we can say for x from +half to x -1, from +half to -1, f of x ranges from greater than equal to 7/4 to less than equal to 4. Once you keep substituting the value of x from +half taking to the left hand side up to -1, the f of x values increases from 7/4 to +4. Even if you put the value of x from half to x equal to +2, there also you will see that f of x starts ranging from 7/4 to +4.